Hi there guys, welcome back yet again. Another little update on Orwin, and this can be a lesson to anybody who's ever owned a classic retro car. If you find a little hole, a little bubble, and you give it a poke, make sure you keep going, because that little hole can become much bigger and much more serious. Yes guys, look what I've uncovered. So this is in the rear seat area in Orwin, and if you'd seen previous videos, there was basically all this looked absolutely fine. It looked absolutely fine. It looked fine from this side and it looked fine from underneath. It didn't look like there was any problem at all, apart from a little bit of bubbling on the paintwork on this bit. On this inner paintwork, it was bubbling, and I decided to give it a bit of a prod and a poke with a screwdriver, and it went through. So then I've continued going and continued going and continued going, and as you can see, all this was rotten. And if I bring you around to the inside of the wheel arch, you can see all this section here, which I thought was solid, because it did seem absolutely solid, was actually all rusted through. And there should be two layers here. Obviously one layer is the boot floor, sorry, the floor of the car, which comes across and down, so it comes down there and then welds to that, and it makes it nice and strong. But obviously it's rotted out, and yeah, has left me with a lot more work. So where I was hoping to get MOT organised and sorted this next week, now that I've sorted the spring seat, I've got a few more little jobs to do. Like, I've still got a CV boot to do on the drive shaft on the passenger side, but I was hoping I could get everything done this week to try and get an MOT sorted before the end of the month. I mean, we're on the 25th today, so I was hoping I could get it done, but it looks like not much chance of that happening, guys, unfortunately, because this is not particularly difficult to do. I've done much worse than this before, as you will have seen in previous videos, but it's just time consuming to get all that rust cleaned up and get it in a position to be able to weld it. And obviously you've got time to actually fabricate repair pieces. As I say, some people will look at this and be terrified by it and like, oh my god, look at the state of that. But I'm not that bothered, to be fair. It's only metal at the end of the day. You just chop out the old metal and weld in new metal, and that's it, job's done. It's certainly not as bad as when I did the whole inner strut top at this side. And if you can see on the camera, but that whole inner strut top I replaced at this side. And obviously recently I've been doing this spring seat repair. I also did the strut top repair on the other side as well. So I'm not particularly scared by this at all. It's not going to be particularly difficult. It's just time consuming. So yeah, unfortunately guys, we're going to be a little bit longer until we get to see that view out of the window driving Orwin. I know a lot of you guys are missing the driving videos in Orwin. I know I certainly am. I'm missing driving him. Yeah, a little bit gutted, to be fair, that I found that this is as bad as it is, but at the same time I'm glad I found it, because it'll give me time to get it sorted and make him nice and strong. So stay with the channel please guys, please browse, look at the other videos. You can see the driving videos of Orwin, you can see driving videos of Sylvia, my silver saloon Mark II, and you'll be able to see continuous repair work on Orwin as I get this done. I'll upload more videos. So yeah, please stick around, please subscribe, click the notification bell so you don't miss any updates, and I'll keep you posted guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.